Hello everyone, in these video tutorials learn how to share file on your Google Drive accounts. So to share file on your Google Drive, open internet browser, then in the address bar you type drive.google/drive to open your Google Drive with your Gmail accounts and password. There's my Google Drive dashboard. So to share a file, on my left side and choose the file that I want to share, then I click shared. Or on my dashboard I can choose and then I click shared. In the left side I click shared to open the share pop-up. Then I choose the email. Then I grant user permission. I can choose to grant everyone permission. That will give the person everywhere permission to view the file. I cannot make any changes. Or I can choose comment for the person only comment and view. Then the last one I can choose edit to give the person full control of the file that have been shared, to make changes or edit any changes to affect the file. So in the message tab I can type the message to inform the person about the file. Then I click next to share. Been shared, then the person can open the file. If the person was granted a few full access permission, person can edit the file. And if the person has given a view permission, the person can only view and comment. He or she can only comment on the file but cannot make any change on the file. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update anytime we upload a new video. Thank you.